In today's video, we're diving into the world of melody creation using ChatGPT. We'll explore how to generate catchy tunes, create chord progressions, incorporate rhythmic patterns, add harmonies and countermelodies, and even integrate lyrics, all with the help of ChatGPT. Let's get started. First up, let's generate some melodic ideas. Melodies are the heart of your music, and ChatGPT can help spark your creativity. For our first step, we'll ask ChatGPT to suggest some melodic phrases in the key of C major. This is a great way to get started with a catchy and memorable tune. So let's put together our prompt down here in the input box. So let's say, here we go. Can you suggest some melodic phrases in the key of C major that are catchy and easy to remember? So let's send this off right now. See, we've sent the prompt. So let's give ChatGPT a moment to come up with some ideas. This is where the fun begins. ChatGPT is currently analyzing the request and will generate right here, as it currently processes, some melodic ideas based on the key of C major. This process only takes a few seconds, and the results are complete right here. Look at these. ChatGPT has provided several melodic phrases that we can use as a starting point. You can tweak these phrases or the notes right here, the rhythm, anything right here. These as an example, just to fit your style and preference, thus making them uniquely yours. See? Now, let's move on to creating chord progressions. A great melody needs a solid harmonic foundation. For this, we'll ask ChatGPT for some popular chord progressions in the key of C major again. These progressions will help support and enhance our melody. So either type in or put together your prompt, then paste down here in the input box. So let's say, what are some popular chord progressions that I can use to accompany my melody in the key of C major? So let's end this off right now. So let's wait a moment for ChatGPT to provide us with some harmonic options. It is processing the request and will soon suggest chord progressions that are commonly used and effective in, once again, in the key of C major. As you can see, it's currently processing right here. See, there are a few more details in each key progressions here. And yeah, great. ChatGPT just listed down several chord progressions. For example, like this one, and then this one right here, which are versatile and widely used in many genres. You can experiment with these progressions to see which ones fit best with your melody. These chord progressions will give your melody a strong harmonic base, enhancing its overall feel. See? Rhythm is key to making your melody engaging and dynamic. Let's see how ChatGPT can help with that. We'll ask ChatGPT for some rhythmic patterns that can add excitement to our melody. This will give our tune a unique and captivating groove. Let's type in or put together our prompt for this segment right here in the input box. So let's say, can you provide some rhythmic patterns that would make my melody more engaging and dynamic? This prompt right here, every word almost just as I stated earlier. So let's send this off right now. And so as we wait, this is where our melody gets its groove. So as it's currently processing, ChatGPT is working on our prompt and will soon offer a variety of rhythmic patterns to choose from. This should only take a few seconds right here. See, this might take a while. See right here, as you can see, so far, they're the ones that ChatGPT had suggested. Oh, here we go. it's all finished. Here are the results. So check these out. ChatGPT offers a variety of rhythmic patterns. You can try different patterns and mix them to create a rhythm that complements your melody perfectly. These rhythmic patterns will make your melody more engaging and dynamic, thus giving it that extra spark. If you find this video helpful so far, please subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys! Next, let's add some depth to your melody with harmonies and countermelodies. So we'll ask ChatGPT once more for suggestions, in which those can enhance our main melody. Those will add richness and complexity to our tune, that is. And so, here's the prompt that I put together. So let's say, can you suggest some harmonies or countermelodies that would complement my main melody? So, with that, let's hit send. As you can see right here. So before the actual results, ChatGPT would then need to understand in which type of melody that ChatGPT would provide some information or suggestions of the countermelodies or harmonies that would put into detail and tweak it out for our main melody. So in this case, here's what I can do. I put together a mock main melody, for instance, through a file. Here it is, song, main melody. And I could just type it like here. Here it is for its main melody with all the details in it, and hit enter. As you can see, here it is. So now that we sent 2 prompts for ChatGPT to finally process it everything, now it's currently analyzing, and that will soon provide harmonies and countermelodies tailored to complement it. See? See, as you can see, everything is very detailed. Oh, it's wonderful to see that. So you can see ChatGPT provides everything that followed the chord progression, for instance, or that would enhance the emotional impact of your melody. And yeah, see, it's even in table form right here with this, the notes, and perfect. See, it also suggests, for instance, like countermelodies that move independently from the main melody, thus creating an interesting interplay. Finally, let's talk about integrating lyrics. Lyrics can add a new dimension to your melody. And once more, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate lyrics that fit well with our melody and enhance its catchiness. This will help create a complete and engaging song. So here's another one of my prompts that I put together. Let's say, can you suggest some lyrics that would fit well? Here we go, just as I stated earlier. And don't forget the melody. Let's whip up the same document. Here we go. And yeah, once it's attached and supported to the actual prompt that I just put together, let's send this right over here. As you can see, this is where our melody gets its voice. Now, ChatGPT is currently processing our request and will soon provide, as you can see, here are the lyrics that complement our melody perfectly. And yeah, fantastic. ChatGPT generates lyrics that match the mood and style of your melody, making your song more memorable and engaging. With these lyrics that ChatGPT had come up with and generated for us, your song will have a new layer of expression and catchiness. And there you have it. With ChatGPT and these tips, you can take your music to the next level and bring your creative visions to life. Leave a comment below with what you would like to see next. Also, check the pinned comment below to download a quick guide for this video.